Day traders, welcome back to another Fides Flows video. Today we're doing the daily market brief for Wednesday, the 24th of September 2025. If you're new to this channel, in the Fides Flow videos, I do a deep dive into the price action and fundamentals behind gold, Nas100 and Us30, giving you a clear roadmap for the trading day ahead. Using high time frame technical analysis, I identify key zones, momentum shifts, and trend structures. Then combine that with real-time macroeconomic drivers like interest rates, inflation data, and market sentiment. So whether you're a swing trader or day trader, this breakdown helps you understand what's really moving these markets and where high probability setups might form. Starting with gold, we can see that gold is currently trading at 3769 with the Asian highs and lows at 3750 and 3779 respectively. Price moving relatively bullish during the Asian session this morning, with price still finding its feet at the beginning of the London session, currently retracing from the daily highs, the Asian daily highs at 3779. On the 4-hour time frame, okay, so going back to 4-hour. On the 4-hour time frame, we're seeing that there's bullish price action structure after a massive run from the 3650 pivot level as the market is trading above the 21 and 50-day SMA region at the moment and is currently overextended on the RSI above 70. Price is on an impulse move, but it's showing signs of indecision, currently above the 3751 level. We can see a lot of indecision candles there. There's a doji, there's a bullish pin bar, bearish pin bar, and yeah, so momentum is very low at the moment. And if price does retrace on the 4-hour time frame, I would be targeting the 3700 pivot level as a potential break and retest point before a push to the upside. But let's first take a look at what's happening on the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, price is moving in a consolidation following the bullish run from 3650, and it is consolidating currently between the 3750 and the 3790 levels, as we are seeing right here. Price is testing the 21 and 50-day SMA region. We can see a minor push from that level, but it's yet to actually come back and test it properly. Expecting further upside and waiting for a push from the level of significance, potentially at 3750. And hopefully this will be within the sweet spot of the RSI. We can see we are already testing that sweet spot, so we will see some sort of push from a level of significance shortly. So I am targeting that Asian low / pivot level of 3750 for a bounce, potential bounce to the upside. Let's move on to Nas100. Nas100. Oh wait, let's quickly. I just wanted to do something different. So take a look at the headlines. So we can see gold eases on stronger US dollar, but holds near record highs. Diwali to Diwali, Indian equities, okay. Gold hovers near record highs. So yeah, it is focused on the fact that it is near record highs, but is fleeting momentum currently. Take a look at Nas100 or US Tech. Nas100 currently moving bullish at 24,665, currently trading above the major pivot level of 24,000. The Asian highs and lows are at 24,571 and 24,663 currently. On the 4-hour time frame, just heading in there, we can see that price was maintaining its bullish structure above the 21 and 50-day SMA region. We did tap the sweet spot over here, but we were trading very much overextended for a long period of time following the massive bullish push, which tapped the 24,000 level before pushing to the upside. Did have a bit of a retracement where we hit the break and retest level at 24,560 before a bullish push during the latter part of the New York session yesterday. On the 1-hour time frame, price is trading with bullish price action structure, currently pushing from the 50 SMA level. So we can see we tapped the 50 SMA level here, and we did have a push to the upside during the Asian session this morning, which was predominantly bullish. And we're looking as though we may break above the 21 SMA, but we are still testing that specific region. That's being said, on the RSI, price did tap the 30 level, which is very much bearish on the RSI before that push to the upside. But again, we had more confluences from the level of significance here at the support at 24553 that actually, and as well as the 50-day SMA region that did provide that bullish confluence to take a trade to the upside. Of course, this was outside our trading times. So today, what I'm currently looking for is a test of the 24,540 / 24,780 price trading within that level currently, but I'm looking for a test between the daily low of yesterday and the Asian low of today at 24,571 and 24,553.43. So yeah, when you see price get back down to that level, potentially within the sweet spot of the RSI and within the 21-day and 50-day SMA region, perfect opportunity to take a long position to the upside. In terms of headlines, Wall Street Index low as investors weigh Powell's comments. Okay, so clearly digesting Powell's comments right there. Wall Street indices flat. Powell challenges. Okay, so yeah, a lot of news behind Powell speaking for indices. Let's move on to US30. US30 is currently trading at 46,327 following a massive bullish move. Trading above the 46,127 pivot level and creating new highs in the process at 46,710. Price is currently on the 4-hour time frame. Price is currently trading, let's just take a look, trading above the 21-50-day SMA region and within the sweet spot region of the RSI. So we do see firm bullish price action structure within this particular time frame, as well as a bullish support trend line below it. Clear bullish price action structure present with the higher lows and respective higher highs within this market. On the 1-hour time frame, price is moving in a retracement after a strong push down from the all-time highs at 46,710. Currently trading within the 21-50-day SMA region and within the sweet spot region of the RSI. Clear opportunity for long positions present. The current levels I'm targeting is the pivot level at 46,127. I'm also looking at the daily low at 46,207 as a potential support zone for long opportunity. So this particular levels here would definitely give me cause to take a long position. So we just have to wait and see what happens. Moving on, taking a look at the VIX quickly. The VIX is trading at 16.44 after closing the week at 15.46 last week. VIX is moving to the upside, which supports bullish moves in gold. However, still in a risk-on territory, which is why we're also seeing the upside potential in indices. Currently, we're in an unprecedented time where both indices and gold are creating all-time highs. So this is a massive bullish market for long traders, and I'm sure they are capitalizing respectively. In terms of fundamentals for today, there are no fundamentals, and we have discussed the headlines behind each of these markets. So that is pretty much the analysis for today. Please note this is not financial advice, but my personal opinion on the current state of the markets. Before taking any positions in these markets, make sure to do your own research first. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see more of in the future. With that, happy hunting traders, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.